Hey everybody, Ron from CampFire Grub, and this weekend we're camping in Ocala National Forest, more specifically Buck Lake Campground next to beautiful Buck Lake. I'm assuming it's beautiful. It's dark. I got here a little bit late, so I haven't quite seen it yet, but in the morning I'll definitely see it then. And tonight for dinner we're going to be cooking up a quick and easy dish, and it's actually one of Kevin's favorites, and all it is some chicken that we're going to go ahead and grill up. Then we're not going to grill it up all the way, but we're going to get it mostly done. Then we're going to go ahead and throw it into a cast iron pan, which we are going to put some rice in, along with some pineapple, with some teriyaki sauce. This is the chicken. We prepped it up with our teriyaki glaze, and it also has some honey and pineapple flavor to it. So we go ahead and dump that on there first, and then we're going to go ahead and throw them on the fire for a couple minutes. We have the chicken now, and we're going to go ahead and throw it onto this little TP Cooking Great grill, thanks to David. So we're going to go ahead and toss this on here. And that didn't work out too well, but there we go. There is actually the rice cooking, boiling. And there you have it. Quick update. We have our rice. We just pulled it off the fire, and we've got it in our cast iron pan along with our pineapple. We're just waiting on the chicken. Then we're going to go ahead and pop it in here with the teriyaki sauce, mix it up, cook it up for a little bit, and then dinner will be good to go. So here is the chicken in here with the rice and the pineapple, and we're basically just frying up the rice and the pineapple along with burning ourselves from the fire. Things are cooking up nice, so we're going to go ahead and dump in the rest of our teriyaki glaze. And then we're going to mix it on up and let it cook for a little bit longer. Chicken, here's our pineapple and our rice, and this is actually burning my hand, so we're going to go ahead and set it down. So here is the chicken, the rice, and the pineapple. And if you're wondering about this cast iron pan, it's actually from the mid-1800s. It's actually a gate mark cast iron pan. No brand marks on it, so it's a pretty neat, interesting piece, and it actually cooks food absolutely perfectly. Well, so here's what's left of my plate. I'm still eating away at it, and we still have quite a bit left. But if you look over here, Josh here has seemed to have finished his entire plate and is staring at it. So what's the review, Josh? How was it?
It was excellent. The first time I've ever had pineapple that tastes like apple pie. That was really good. Rice was really good. Chicken, I think it was barely overcooked, but overall it was great.
Well, thanks for the review, Josh. So as people start chowing down on what's left, we'll see how it is once it's done.